Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have some more eyeshadows that I want to show you because I have been buying eyeshadows like a crazy person. By Voss, yes, they finally came or got back in stock the rainbow eyeshadow palette. Bam! Look at those. Look at those colors. So they're all shimmers. So you're gonna have to use another palette to kind of really work everything out, but that's okay with me because I don't mind having a zillion palettes out in front of me and dabbing from each one. It makes me feel like some kind of creative, wonderful artist that's just going to town on my face. I mean, I wish I had more face, but I don't. So I have used this several times. The colors are really nice and they're pigmented. So the rainbow palette is $30. And it is currently sold out online. It's currently sold out on their site. I don't know if it's sold out at Sephora yet. I would have to look, but you go look. If you want it, go look. And sign up for that email that's going to tell you, hey, we got it, run and get it. So this is $30 by the Voss. It says it will return late spring, which it did already. It's sold out, so I guess they haven't updated it. But it's 10 larger-than-life pans infused with jojoba oil. Jojoba. 8 metallic colors, 1 pearl topper used alone for a glow, and 1 matte black with sparkles. They gave us a color breakdown that I can read for you. Flamingo, rich pinky red, which I think it's more pink than red. Right there, like, whenever I put it on, it's way more pinky, less red, but I like it. I used it underneath my eyes one day, and it was really pretty, and my daughter loves it because it's such a Barbie pink. Then we have a peach. It's just simply peach. It's a duochrome, rusty peach, and I think I like this one a lot, but it's, look how pretty that is. It's like a peachy gold. So it looks really good on me. Then we have Buttercup, which is a rich gold, which I think it's more of a yellowy gold. They call it a golden gold. I call it like a yellowy gold. Oh, I know you see that. Then we have, how about I just swatch it? That way you'll see. You'll see. Then that way I can read it. And yeah, multitask. Seafoam. Seaform. It says Seaform. It's Seaform. Seafoam? Seaform. Seaform, named after an inside joke. Thank you, because I was confused. I was like, no, I can read. This color is an amazing seafoam green. Alright, I do one of these. This is like one of the colors that really attracted me to this palette, and it's kind of similar to the Natasha Denona, the Tropic palette, that green in there, except it works way better because, I mean, it's a brighter, icier green, but look, just a lightest finger and a swatch, and there you go. Like, these are super pigmented and super awesome. I'm a fan. So from there, we've got Fiji, like the waters of Fiji. So that is more of a bright blue. I don't know what, it looks like it's super close. It looks like I'm super bad at swatching. Forgive me. And then followed by that is Royal, which is a rich deep blue. It is a pretty dark blue, pretty awesome. And my finger is a little wet, so it actually reminds me of one of the colors in the Metal to Matte Kat Von D palette. So if you missed out on that, there's a little dupe for that right there. I want to say they're pretty similar, pretty darn similar. I can look. Color reminds me of Nebula from the Kat Von D palette, which I think the Kat Von D is a little smoother, of course, but look at that dupe. Like, pretty, like, I want to say Kat Von D's, so it's a little smoother, so it might go on a little creamier, and it's a smidge brighter, but I'm going to say that's pretty close. Really close. Really close. So if you missed out on that, you can always use a Violet Voss. So next we have Indigo, which is a true purple, and then we'll have Violet, which is a duochrome pink purple. So Indigo is that true purple, which is very, very pretty, which, oh my gosh, I'm like, ting, 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 light bulbs everywhere. It reminds me of one of the Juvia's Place's purples. So they're cheaper too when you get a good amount of colors. You just gotta swatch. Oh, it's so amazing. I mean, when you get every color, you're gonna have dupes and you're gonna have from different brands the similar colors, because you know, everybody, there's basic colors. It's just how you adapt them and how the formula is. So I'm not mad at it. Then we have the Violet, which is, let's see, I already said it, duochrome pink and purple. So I don't really see the pink in it. It's just brighter. We have 2 more shades left. So it's Pearl, which is a sheer iridescent white, which is can be used as a topper, highlighter, or on its own. And I want to say I think it's more green. Yeah, it comes out way greener than I thought it was going to be. So, I mean, I'm not mad at it, but I thought it was going to be like a pretty silvery, not really silvery, like I don't know, white shimmer, but it's a green shimmer, just so you know. The last one is the Eclipse, which is the matte black, but it's got sparkles in it. So I'm not really a fan of mattes with sparkles in them, but there it is. I mean, it's not the blackest black ever, but it's not bad. It's pretty nice. So those are the colors. That is the dupe right there, and I'm super happy. $30, large pan size, nothing but bright colors that you can use for the summer or any dang time you want, just to have fun and experiment. I'm all about color, not just nudes, and I was really excited. I'm super happy I got this one. Just make sure if you need more shades, you just use another palette for those mattes so you can really blend and do whatever you want. Like, it's not that big a deal. Cute packaging, kind of like, you know, a rainbow, except, you know, not as many rainbow colors because it's more like purple. I mean, it's cute. It is what it is. It's cool. But anyway, I hope that helped. I hope you liked it, and I hope you can find it. If they'll probably restock it. If it's so popular, they probably will. So, yeah, thank you so much.
Stings people.
A fly who stings people? Did it sting you?
No.
That means it's just a fly. Okay, say bye to the camera. Bye. Thank you. I hope it helped, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much, and have a great day. Say bye, Izzy.
Hi.